All right. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another session of Moldex3D's webinar series. My name is Srikar Valluri, and we have a special guest today to co-host this webinar with me today. He is Bob Elwell from ProCAD Technologies, and the topic for today's presentation or today's webinar is going to be things that affect mold filling analysis accuracy. This is a very interesting topic that I do know that a lot of people are usually concerned about. So I hope you all will have a fun ride today with us.
Hello, everyone. How you doing? My name is Bob Elwell from ProCAD Technologies. We're doing the webinar on things that affect mold filling analysis accuracy. It took us a little bit of time to come up with that name. There's a lot more involved in that than just the accuracy, but basically the overview of the whole molding process and all of the different things and aspects that affect a flow analysis, both in product design, material selection, material properties, and the press, the process, the barrel, and the screw, the whole bit. A little bit about ProCAD Technologies. We're a small engineering firm up here in Erie, Pennsylvania for the last 7 years or so. We became a Moldex reseller in 2019. We have over 30 years of experience in the product design and mold design of plastic injection molding. We specialize in project management and problem-solving services dealing with complicated materials and molds and products. We have customers in the United States, Canada, Mexico, Europe, and even have an odd customer out in New Zealand. We focus specifically on computer simulation capabilities, including stress analysis, thermal analysis, impact, drop testing, and then obviously the Moldex mold filling simulation. When you go through a typical product design and tooling, what makes this whole process very important is that the product designs are becoming more complicated, the product requirements are more stringent, the materials are more difficult to process. They're always coming up with new fillers and new grades of materials that are a lot more difficult to manage. There's higher quality standards. Things are being molded to much tighter tolerances. The time to market is getting increasingly compressed. There's no time for mistakes, and the pressure to use more virtual computing analysis is needed over and over again.